We are at the 2019 Manitoba Construction Career Expo. It's an event we developed over a number of years to sort of bring students in from around the province and give them some hands-on experience with some of the construction trades. It gives them the opportunity to get right in there and try a tool, try a trade.
You think about what you want to do after high school and you think about trades and stuff, but when you come here you can actually try it out. A little bit more interactive than just a normal symposium.
I think it opens up a lot of opportunities to learn about different trades.
So what we're doing is exposing the young generation to our trade, and we're giving them a little box to build so they get a chance to put something together. So they get to glue it, they get to nail it, they get to router it, and they get to sand it, and they get to take it home. So it's good for them, and it exposes them to an industry they've never even known about before. So it helps the whole trade industry to say, hey, this is what's out there for you to experience as a young person, to get into a trade, which is a great need right now, and it's paying well.
I brought kids here for probably 6 or 7 years now. It's a fantastic opportunity for students to see some of these jobs sort of in a semi-real life experience.
A lot of them don't have any opportunity to see this kind of stuff.
This is their first opportunity to try some of the tools, see what's going on. They hear about jobs, but they can actually see about the jobs that are going on.
The more exposure they have to things like this, the more kind of avenues are opened up for them. So yeah, it's a really positive experience for them.